Question number 9. The velocity of a particle moving along the x-axis is given as a function of time by the expression v of t is equal to 3.0 t squared minus 2.0 t plus 4.0, where v is in meters per second and t is in seconds. What is the acceleration of the particle at t equals 2.0 seconds? Now, it's important to remember here that if the velocity is not a linear function, then by definition, the acceleration is not going to be constant. So the only way to get the value for this acceleration will be as a time-dependent function. So v of t is 3t squared minus 2t plus 4. Well, then your acceleration, which is dv dt, is equal to 6t minus 2. Constant term 4 cancels, and so the acceleration at time 2.0 seconds will be 6 times 2.0 minus 2, and that is 10.0 meters per second squared, which gives you option D as your solution.